In today's video, we are going to look at the top 5 best action cameras available on the market. We research web and read lots of real user review before creating the action cameras list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the action cameras mentioned, be sure to check the description. Subscribe our channel and press the bell button for more informative video. Number 5. INSTA 360 Go2 Mini Camera. The INSTA 360 Go Mini Camera is designed for shooting small clips of 30 seconds in length and taking pictures. You can also set the camera to shoot longer movies. A miniature video camera is attached with a clip to clothes, sports equipment, and a headdress. As a result, the hands remain free. To mount a video camera, the set included various accessories, a magnetic suspension, a sticky base, clamps and a swivel stand. The set also includes a case for charging the camera in standby mode and a USB charging cable. The device is synchronized with a smartphone via Bluetooth. You can watch captured videos on your phone, edit and send them to social networks. Number 4. AKASO V50 Elite Native Camera. The AKASO V50 Elite Action Camera with a touch screen and waterproof hosing allows you to shoot high-quality Full HD videos. Settings are made on the touchscreen. You can also control the video camera using voice commands. Excellent stabilization produces clear images and videos without shaking even while driving, making the camera popular with surfers, cyclists, snowboarders and other active sports enthusiasts. The set includes a waterproof case for underwater shooting at a depth of 40 meters. The case also protects the camera from dust and sand, making it ideal for capturing beach highlights. Number 3. GoPro Hero 8 Action Camera. GoPro Hero 8 is one of the best camcorders for extreme shooting. High level of stabilization, wide grip angle, convenient control, compact size, streamlined shape make the camera one of the most popular digital products on the market. The camcorder has 2 screens, so you can see when you are filming yourself. The waterproof case also allows for underwater shooting at a depth of 10 meters without a protective cover. The camera is synchronized with a smartphone. You can immediately upload photos and videos, as well as conduct online broadcasts. An additional flash microphone is connected to the device, which increases the recording quality to a professional level. Number 2. SJCAM SJ4000 Air Action Camera. Action camera SJCAM SJ4000 Air can be used as a car DVR and for shooting video tracking, easy to change settings. The camera has a variety of shooting modes, slow motion, loop recording, timer, slideshow, and more. The 1700 wide-angle lens allows you to capture more of the landscape in one frame. You don't even have to move the camera to take panoramic shots. Thanks to the waterproof case, you can shoot in water at depths of up to 30 meters. In different configuration options, the following can be added to the parcel: video camera mounting systems, spare battery, car cigarette lighter charger, float, and 32 GB memory card, carrying bag, car holder and monopod. Number 1. GoPro Hero 9 Action Camera. The GoPro Hero 9 is the latest action camera that can record up to 5K video at 30 FPS and take 20 MP stills. The camera has 2 displays. The front on is designed for direct viewing with convenient framing. The rear screen is used to control, zoom in and out using the zoom. Hero 9 features the latest version of GoPro's proprietary image stabilization technology to help you capture crisp, blur-free footage even while mountain biking, snowboarding or surfing. The camera is water-resistant to 10 meters, making it suitable for divers. Depending on the configuration, the seller also puts in the package a tripod, a spare battery, a storage case, a microphone, and a memory card.